Hey folks, Smitty back with you. We're in the garage this morning. Got to get some work done on the Jeep. I'll show you here in a minute. We've been kind of tied up. I haven't been camping for a couple weeks. My stepdaughter's getting married here in 2 weeks, and so we've been busy getting ready for the wedding. So we're going to do some work on the Jeep this morning. I got a differential pinion seal leak, and let me show you what we got going on. Jeep back in here. See if I can get you down and show you my pinion seal right there. So we got to disconnect the drive shaft, take that off, pull the knuckle out, and then bang that seal off. So I'll bring you back here when we start doing that. I think I'm going to take the front left tire off, kind of get it a little bit easier access. I'm going to get it up on some stands and we'll get to work here. Okay, here's what we got going on. Full synthetic 75/40 gear oil. We got our seal, we got our differential cover gasket, because I'm going to take that off, put all new fluids in it, and I'll show you. We got the tire off, and what I'm going to do first is I'm going to get me grab the brake cleaner. I'm going to clean all that up real good. We'll mark the drive shaft where everything's located at. So we know where to put it back at in the same location, so to speak. And after I get that all cleaned up, we'll bring you back and start taking it apart. I'll bring you up to speed where we're at here. We have the drive shaft disconnected, and you can see right here we got this bolt we got to take off to pull that out. I'm just letting it soak with some penetrating oil so we can hopefully get it off easier. We'll hit it with an impact wrench, and then we're going to have to pound out that seal right there. So going to let that soak for a few minutes, and then we'll bring you back. Okay, the pinion seal is done on the differential there, all put back together. Haven't taken it for a test drive yet cause we want to take care of the fluid. So pulled the cover off. I'll clean that all up. Get that old gasket off of there, put a new one on, clean it all up. Put all new fluid in there, and we should be good to go. So we'll bring you back. Okay folks, there you go. All put back together. New seal in the pinion and new gasket, new fluid. Just have to put the tire back on it and we're all good. So thanks for coming along. We'll talk to you all later.